Bulletproof windows will be the main part of improved security features of the new appeals court when work on the facility is finished. The court is being refurbished and is expected to be back in operation by September. Here is TVJ's Kirk Wright with the details.
Only recently, the Justice Minister Delroy Truck spoke to improved security measures, including closed-circuit television cameras, CCTVs, for courthouses around the island. Now it's been revealed that the windows at the Court of Appeal are to be fortified. Last week, the Justice Minister went to look at the progress of the work now being done at the Appeals Court.
So far, we intend to make sure the security of the complex is at the highest standard. And what the latest I've heard is that because some of the windows are needed for all the judges' chambers, we may well have to put in bulletproof windows to allow, not only natural lighting, but also security. That's not a significant amount of money, but if it's not taken into the contingency, we hope that it won't be a significant overrun.
President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Dennis Morrison, says if the other planned security measures are put in place, he would be satisfied.
Well, I think provision was made in the design for security posts, and we've been discussing up there, for instance, limiting access to the floors occupied by the judges to judges and staff alone. So I think if all those measures are put in place, we'll be fine. But of course, from the contractor's point of view, you can't fault them if they put in what they are told to put in.
3 new courtrooms are to be added to the appeals court. The Justice Minister says the aim is to improve the service offered by the court.
But I want to get to a position where we have more cases being disposed of than are actually coming into the system. When we look at the statistics now, there are more cases coming in than are being disposed of. Now, 2 ways: we have to reduce the number of cases coming in, but we also have to increase the number of cases being completed.
Mr. Chuck says more courtrooms are to be built around the island starting the next fiscal year.
One in Montego Bay, Trelawney, St. and Mandeville. Those 4 are on my mind, which, we're hoping that when President Morris, Chief Justice, and other judges meet with the GG and the Prime Minister, myself, the Minister of Finance, we ask for an allocation for some of these courthouses to be started. It will not finish in a year or 2, because to build a court complex usually takes 2 to 3 years.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.